Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick Google Chrome tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to add a theme to Google Chrome, making it look more fun, colorful, and personalized just the way you like it. It's really quite simple to do, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. So go ahead and load up Chrome here on your system, and the first thing we need to do to add themes is load up the Chrome Web Store. Now, I know there's several different ways to do that. I find the easiest way is to head on up to the top right hand corner where you see the three little dots. You can go ahead and left click on that, and in the menu that comes up, go down to extensions right here, and when you hover over that, you'll see it says visit Chrome Web Store. You can go ahead and left click on that, and the Chrome Web Store is going to load up in your browser. Now, once this is loaded up here at the top, you'll see it says Discover. You've got extensions, and then there's an option here for themes. That's what we're looking for today. You can go ahead and left click on that, and it's going to give you a whole bunch of themes that you can install here in Google Chrome. So there's different categories on the left-hand side. You can go through cars or entertainment, minimalist, etc. Or there's some recommended ones here from the main page, dark and black themes, fresh tabs, etc. And let's find one we like here. I like this Mario one. We'll go ahead and left click on that. Now, once you've found one you like and select it, you can scroll through. You can see how many users there are. You can see what resolution it's recommended for, etc., reviews, all that. And what we want to do here, it says add to Chrome. So we're going to go ahead and left click on add to Chrome. It's going to download it and install it on your system automatically. So you can see the top here turned to kind of a pink and blue color with yellow accents. And if we just go home here, you can see it did add that background as well to our home page. And really it's that simple to add themes to our system here in Google Chrome, make it more fun, colorful, and personalized. So I hope this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.